there, Mike. Mike Harbers. Mike Harbers, the birthday boy. Oh, yes. Penblwydd hapus I chi. Penblwydd hapus I chi. Penblwydd hapus Anwyl Mike. Penblwydd hapus I chi. Penblwydd hapus I chi, Mike Harbers. Have a wonderful birthday, won't you, Mike? I bet it's going to be the best birthday yet. Yes, indeed. Now, this message comes to you with massive amounts of love and affection from your buddy, Augie. Yeah, Augie is the one that did it. So you've got Augie's best wishes. You've certainly got my best wishes. So make sure you have an excellent birthday. Penblwydd hapus I chi.